Fire means a lot to Native communities in the Sierra Nevada. When we think of fire as being a bad thing, it kind of changes the paradigm. And when you put it into an Indigenous perspective, it's about restoring that good relationship with fire.
It's really a tool that's meant to help communities right across the board access, utilize, and take advantage of all the different data sets out there to enhance their community well-being. There's a lot of systemic issues that impact communities, and so the purpose of this tool is to really give communities their voice back, to allow them to collect their own data, do their own information systems, share their knowledge in a way that allows for future planning.
Tribes in the Sierra have really been excluded from decision-making within the state for such a long time. By giving them this system that puts their data back in their hands, it gives them power to have a seat at the table.